Then I said, let me do it up for the folks. But if you have sparkling water, don't mind that drop. If you have sparkling water, that would be great. So then, add your orange juice. Horrible. Good night, everyone. Here's what I'm eating tonight. We're gonna see where this goes. I don't usually have plans when I cook. I just cook and I have the rice boiling over here. I'm currently using basmati rice. This is, I think I got this from Trader Joe's, but we're gonna try sausage and peppers with that. Okay, so really I didn't want the oil. I just forgot I had butter and I was like, okay, get that little butter. Okay guys, so here's the butternut, and I have different sizes for a reason. Don't worry, I'll let you know. Now guys, I'm about to put on a cooking show once I get the phone here. Okay, so we got it cooking. You couldn't have even gave it. Okay, everyone. This is getting sizzling. Oh my gosh, I forgot I was recording. So here we go. It's like candied yams. And I feel like, I thought maybe it was a good idea. To put like this first, and then I'm gonna add water and put on the lid. This is what we're working with. And I turned it down. But not too low. You don't want to overcook the butternut. Test with the fork. It's not done. So it's now complete. I'm gonna take it off. So really quick, I think I'm doing something. So we're gonna try to fix it. Oh my gosh, that's crazy. I guess this is supposed to be crumbled, so we don't want that. So I'm going to, you guys have to take this off. So we're, how do you take your shorts off? I cannot believe you turned. Oh. Okay. Cut it to make it easier to flip. And then flip. I decided to flatten them. Oil in here. Yum. And tomorrow I would bake these instead and like season it before. But this is for tonight. So this is the final result. That's how the sausage turned out. Put it next to the cabbage so it can get soggy. And the rice and my cornbread. If y'all stressed because Walmart is closed, check out your local international food market. Look at it, it's going up in here. Look how much food they got. They're seasoned and in there. I forgot to record it, but yeah. Okay, vegan cream of mushroom, okay? Starting with the mushroom, let these cook, and then I'm gonna add the onion. Okay, so I added water after I cooked them and let them brown. And so this is gonna be the, like the broth. Now I'm just gonna add the milk. And that, ladies and gents, is how you make vegan cream of mushroom. And it definitely did get a lot thicker. You can keep thickening it until, your heart's desire. I make these mushrooms like my grandma made them. I don't know if this is how she makes them for, but then you add like a cream to this, which if you're not vegan, you can add heavy whipping cream, or you can do a similar method to this. these are done. Yay! Bowl. Take your apples. Place them in the bowl. Some of that in there. In water. Well, when I get on camera, I don't know how to use it. So we got this all cooking with sugar and these. I might add some cornstarch because I want the four soy. That was crazy how long it took to make this. So I think it's pretty much done. Okay. Got them on the baking dish. And then your drink. This is a sweet lime. Listen, I was just gonna add water, but then I said, let me do it up for the folks. But if you have sparkling water, don't mind that drop. If you have sparkling water, that would be great. So then, add your orange juice. Horrible. Switched hands. Get your crayon in there. Stop. If you know, you know. Greens. Sweet potatoes. And this is the butternut I had made yesterday with the sweet potatoes. I go a little dry, but hold on, just don't worry about that. These are for dessert. Roasted potatoes. The vegan mushroom casserole, and some rice and cabbage. Yep, that's what I'm eating today.